Hey superstars! Teacher aqui! Let's level up your speaking! A dica de ouro de hoje é Practice out loud. So, let's check it out! Practice out loud. Practice out loud. Practice out loud significa praticar em voz alta. É quando você fala as palavras para realmente ouvir sua pronúncia. Awesome for listening practice. For good word practice, you should practice out loud. For good word practice, you should practice out loud. Before she lays out her plan, she likes to practice out loud. Before she lays out her plan, she likes to practice out loud. My teammates and I practice out loud. It's great listening practice. É isso, team. Practice out loud is the key. Lembre-se, a repetição leva à perfeição. So, listen and practice every day. You got this.